What's going on, boys and girls? We're going to show you how you take the fade off an old headlight, all right? You're going to get some WD-40 real quick. You're going to spray it on, okay? Then you're going to take a rag, really easy, and you're going to wipe it. Go back and forth. Give it a nice scrub down. And let's see what we got. Look at that. Not bad. WD-40. We'll catch you on the next one. That's a quick one. And I already took it upon myself to do that side. I'll tell you what, it works. What do we got to do now?